everybody, this is Sky from CJ Support Team. Anyway, it comes to the end of 2020. I believe that all of us went through a lot this year since we'll never imagine how big change we would suffer before, all because of the COVID-19. But I also feel like that the connection between people are rebuilt again via the internet, no matter how far we are during the quarantine. But anyway, we finally comes to the Christmas of this year, so I'm here to give all my best wishes to all of you and your families. Let's wait for the coming new year and hope everything will be alright soon. So thanks for using CJ, and we'll go on to improve our service and give our best support to all of our customers. So Merry Christmas!
Hey guys, this is Granger, and I'm from the sales department of CJ. Most of the time, our mission is to help customers solve their operation problems on CJ and give them some feedback on their orders in time. In addition, we're also willing to provide some plans and advice to your business. In the past year, CJ has been growing with you guys together, and we really appreciated your support all the time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Hi guys! This is Park. On behalf of Business Development Department, we wish to convey our greetings to all of you on this Christmas, as you are very important for us and a very key part of our company. We are very grateful for your loyalty throughout the years, so we want to send you and your loved ones our best wishes. And we thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to having your preference in the years to come. Wishing you the best for Christmas. And last, Happy New Year!
Hello, my name is Aisy Hu. I come from the customer service department. We have been grateful that we can work with all of you in the whole 2020, and also still looking forward to that we will have further cooperation in 2021. Finally, thank you all so much for your support to CJ and to our customer service team. Merry Christmas!
Hello, I'm Penny, a member of CJ sourcing team. My job is to find the product you are interested in. I have been working in CJ for 1 year. Now I can find the SKU as soon as I see the image of your product. Isn't it awesome? So Merry Christmas to everyone!
Hello, I'm Howard from CJ Supplier Program Team. We focus on integrating more quality suppliers and global products resources for CJ customers. I hope you like our products and services. Wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, I'm Grace from Custom Packaging Team. If you have any problem over your business, please come to us. We're always here. We want to witness your sales scaling up. Wish you a Merry Christmas and happy selling on CJ.
I'm Burton from POD department and just want to thank all of you for your support by working with CJ Drop Shipping and wish you all have a lovely Christmas.
Hey guys, I'm Sunny from the Community Operation Department. In the past year, I have learned and growing with CJ and with you guys. I appreciate CJ and you gave me the chance to be here. In the next year, I will learn more professional knowledge and provide you guys more help. Above all, I have one word to say. Merry Christmas. Wish you guys have a good year. See you next time.
嗨，大家好，我叫丁佳，来自视频部。我们部门主要负责客户产品的拍摄制作和网站的视频制作，以及配合各个部门的工作需求。很高兴和大家又度过了愉快的一年。新的一年在 CJ， 大家要继续努力，加油啊 ！Merry Christmas！
Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm from CJ VIP team. Our aim is to provide best service to our VIP and potential VIP customers. I hope that CJ can be your closest partner in the future. Merry Christmas!
我叫华亚良，来自采购部门。感谢看视频的你们，真心的谢谢你们一直以来的支持。希望在新的一年里，能继续给大家搜寻质优价廉的产品。在这个美丽的节日中，我想和你们说，圣诞节快乐！
Hi, my name is Sia. I'm from the logistics department. Christmas is coming. I hope everyone will have a wonderful new year. Merry Christmas!
Hi, I'm Cici from CJAA service team. In the new year, we will be responsible for all your after-sales problems. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas!
Hello everyone, I'm Sally, a developer on CJ. My job is to build a website. A concise, perfect, and friendly user interface is what I'm working for. I hope you like it. Merry Christmas!
Hello， 我是来自 CJ 人事部的陈乐乐。虽然我的工作岗位与你们没有太多的交集，但你们的每一个订单、每一次信任都是对我们最大的鼓舞。2020年，你们与 CJ 共同成长，非常感谢你们的信任，我们将继续努力前行。最后，祝大家圣诞快乐
！Hello, my name is Zheng Xinwen from Custom Packaging Group. We provide the same service and do pricing and packaging. We are always responsible for every order. Here is wishing you a Merry Christmas. May you be surrounded by people you love and who love you this Christmas.
Bonjour tout le monde, ici c'est Blandine de CJ Dropshipping. Je vous souhaite une bonne année, bon travail et bonheur de famille. Joyeux Noël!
Ciao Gali, sono Camelia dal Marketing Group. Buon Natale e felice l'anno nuovo. Ciao ciao!
いつも弊社をごひいきくださり誠にありがとうございます。どうかご家族の皆様と楽しいクリスマスをお過ごしください。
안녕하세요. 저는 CJ Dropshipping 예리입니다. 각종 그대로 친구와 함께 그대운 크리스마스 되세요.
Всем здоровья, ясаш. Рождество наступает, ребята. С Рождеством!